There's many ways to make a bolognese, but at the moment, this is my everyday recipe. It's something that I turn to at least once a week. And what's so special about this is I'm reducing the amount of beef I usually would use and substituting it with some mushrooms. The mushrooms give this a lovely meaty flavour, and on top of it, we're adding another vegetable. So in my saute pan here, I have 1 onion, 1 carrot and celery, and I've just been slowly cooking this off for about 10 minutes with a little bit of rosemary and olive oil. In with 500 grams of beef mince, and I like to break this up. I'm just going to cook this off until the meat browns, and it takes no time at all. Just keep stirring it and tossing it around. Now, let's talk mushrooms. Button mushrooms. I like to use 200 grams of button mushrooms, and you can see it's finely chopped. Of course, you can do this with a knife, but a little tip is to place it into a food processor and just pulse it 3 or 4 times. It'll instantly chop it up like this, so it resembles the mince. The whole idea is blending our gorgeous mushrooms with our meat to give us a lovely texture and flavour. And we'll just fold that through the mincemeat. A really good pinch of salt, because mushrooms and beef love salt. A crack of pepper. And we need tomato sauce. So I'm using tomato passata, 700 grams, so a whole jar of passata. And I'll also add a little bit of water to this too. The lid goes on, and this is going to cook for about 40 minutes or until it's rich and thick. All right, let's have a look at our blended bolognese here with the mushrooms. You can see everything comes together nicely, and you don't even see the mushrooms in here because it cooks down with the meat. It smells fantastic, and this is ready to be tossed through some pasta. My family actually loves to have this bolognese on jacket potatoes with lots of cheese on top. So if you haven't tried mushroom in your bolognese, give it a go. It just tastes so good.